10 proven ways to increase your intelligence and unlock your brain's potential. Everyone has the potential to increase their intelligence and unlock the power of their brain. Whether you are hoping to excel in school, ace exams, or become more creative and productive in your career, these 10 proven strategies can help you reach your goals. With just a few small changes to your daily routine, you can start to see a significant improvement in your cognitive abilities. From getting more sleep, to exercising your brain with puzzles, to taking up a new hobby, these 10 proven ways to increase your intelligence and unlock your brain will help you realize your full potential and reach your dreams. Get more sleep. Getting more sleep is one of the easiest things you can do to improve your cognitive function. This can be particularly helpful if you are studying for exams. Research suggests that sleep deprivation can reduce the activity in areas of the brain involved in language, attention, and visual processing, meaning that you could struggle to understand ideas, stay focused, and retain information. Sleep deprivation also affects the executive functions of the brain, which are responsible for problem-solving, creative thinking, decision-making, and processing information from long-term memory. Even just one night of sleep deprivation can significantly impair these functions. Sleep is also important for creativity, which is why many artists, writers, and scientists keep extremely strict schedules and incredibly strict sleep habits. To maximize the benefits of sleep, try to keep to a consistent bedtime and wake-up time, even on the weekends. Sleep in a completely dark, quiet room to allow your body and brain to fully relax. Exercise your brain with puzzles. Challenging your brain with puzzles and other seemingly pointless activities is one of the best ways to increase your intelligence and unlock your brain's potential. The puzzles could be anything from playing a new board or card game to learning a new language or a new skill like baking or sewing. You could also try to learn a new language as an adult or pick up a new skill like baking or an instrument. Any activity that challenges your brain and keeps it from getting bored is a great way to boost your intelligence, so pick anything you enjoy. You could also try to challenge yourself in other ways, like by reading a book that is above your level or trying to learn a new skill that is slightly out of your comfort zone. This can help increase the blood flow to your brain and, in turn, boost your intelligence. Challenge yourself with new experiences. Learning new skills and challenging yourself with new experiences are two of the best ways to increase your intelligence and unlock your brain's potential. This could be something as simple as trying a new food or visiting a new place, or it could be something a little more involved like learning a new language or a new skill like wood carving. When you try new things, you are triggering the reward centers in your brain, which helps it to make new connections and encourages it to grow. This is particularly helpful for older people, as the brain does not grow new cells past the age of 25. You can also challenge yourself in other ways, like reading a book or article that is above your level or trying to learn a new skill that is slightly out of your comfort zone. Take up a new hobby. When you learn a new skill or hobby, you are challenging your brain and unlocking its potential. You could try to learn a new sport, take up a new type of exercise, cook a new type of food, or take up a new hobby like drawing, painting, or wood carving. You could also learn a new language as an adult or pick up a new skill like baking or an instrument. Any activity that challenges your brain and keeps it from getting bored is a great way to boost your intelligence, so pick anything you enjoy. Another great way to boost your intelligence and unlock your brain's potential is to take up a new hobby that you can integrate into your everyday life. Hobbies like crosswords, puzzles, or chess actually use the same areas in your brain that are used when you are solving problems in real life. So, by taking up these hobbies, you are actually training your brain to work more efficiently, which will help you in all aspects of your life. Eat brain-boosting foods. Certain foods can help boost your brain function and improve your cognitive abilities. You should try to eat a healthy, balanced diet that is rich in vitamins and minerals that help your brain function at its best. This could include foods like dark green vegetables, eggs, seafood, blueberries, avocados, broccoli, legumes, tomatoes, pumpkin seeds, and red wine. You could also try taking a multivitamin or mineral supplement, particularly if your diet is very unhealthy or limited. You could also try certain herbs that have been shown to have brain-boosting properties, such as ginkgo biloba, rosemary, or sage. Develop a growth mindset. A key factor in unlocking your brain's potential is having a growth mindset, which means being open to challenges and being willing to learn from your mistakes. Research has found that people with a growth mindset have higher levels of cognitive functioning, are more resilient, and are less likely to be stressed in challenging situations. This is because they are more willing to take on challenges, and challenges help us to grow and improve. It's important to remind yourself that challenges are not a bad thing and that they are actually necessary for us to learn and grow. This is particularly helpful for those who are studying for exams and need to manage their stress levels. Remembering that challenges help you to grow and improve can help you to stay calm and focused in stressful situations. Take time for reflection and self-awareness. Spending time reflecting on your day and being self-aware is one of the best ways to increase your intelligence and unlock your brain's potential. You could try to do this every night before you go to bed, as this is when your brain is primed for self-reflection and problem-solving. You could also try to implement this during your commute to work or school, as this is when your brain is in an ideal state for self-reflection. When you have time to reflect on the day and think about things that have happened or that you've done, this can help you to become more self-aware and make better decisions in the future. It can also help you to discover new ways to solve problems or cut down on distractions in your life that are making it harder for you to function. Spending a few minutes at the end of the day reflecting on your activities can be very helpful in making improvements to your life and boosting your intelligence. Read and learn something new every day. Reading and learning new things every day is one of the best ways to increase your intelligence and unlock your brain's potential. Not only will this make you more intelligent, but it can also help you become more curious, more creative, and more knowledgeable. It is important that you focus on reading and learning new things that are above your level, as this is the only way to challenge your brain and make it grow. If you only read things that are below your level, then you won't be challenged and your brain won't grow. Try to read at least 30 minutes a day or for 15 minutes each morning and pick something that interests you. It is also important that you try to learn something new every day. You could try to learn a new skill or a new language, or you could try to read a new book or article every day. Practice mindfulness and meditation. When you practice mindfulness and meditation, you are actually changing the structure of your brain and unlocking your brain's potential. This can be particularly helpful for students and people who are studying for exams. Research has found that mindfulness practices can actually increase the gray matter in the areas of the brain related to attention and sensory processing, as well as decrease the gray matter in the areas of the brain related to stress and anxiety, which can be helpful for managing stress levels. It is important to note that you do not have to sit cross-legged with your eyes closed to meditate. There are many different ways to practice meditation, and you can tailor it to suit your lifestyle. You could try to practice mindfulness while you are walking to work, while you are eating lunch, or while you are doing another everyday activity. Engage in creative activities. Engaging in creative activities like writing, painting, or playing music is one of the best ways to increase your intelligence and unlock your brain's potential. When you engage in creative activities, you are actually increasing the levels of brain chemicals like dopamine, endorphins, and serotonin, which are chemicals that improve your mood and make you feel happy. Remember, intelligence is not fixed and can be improved with dedication and effort. So start implementing some of these techniques and see how they can boost your brain power. Knowledge is the key to becoming a successful entrepreneur. Smash that subscribe button for weekly videos like this. You should watch this next video here for more tips.